Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a few tips and tricks on how to apply your highlighter like a pro. So girl, I'm going to talk to you about how to apply highlighter in a normal day-to-day basis, but also if you want to be discovered by NASA for that kind of level of shine, then keep on watching. You guys already know I'm in love with highlights, so I know what I'm talking about. Stick around and let's jump right into the tutorial. Welcome back! So you only need to follow just a few steps in order to get the perfect highlight. So I'm going to do half of my face like a glowing, beaming highlight that you're going to be seeing from the stars. And on the other half of my face, I'm going to do a natural, soft glam kind of highlight that you can wear everywhere. Trust me. So for a natural highlight, you can wear everywhere. I would use just a normal powder highlight that I know that is working well. In this situation, I'm going to use the Makeup Academy Shimmer Highlight Powder in Radiant Cashmere. This is by far one of the best highlights I've ever used, and the cheapest. I think when I bought it, it was like £3, something like that, £2 or £3. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking my highlighting brush from Iconic London, and I'm going to just swirl it around and literally just apply it to the tops of my cheeks. Like, can you see that? That is the best ever. Moving on to the beaming light side, you guys, prepare your sunglasses. I'm telling you that. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray. Yeah. And I'm going to hit just the very top of my cheeks, exactly where you would put the highlighter on, just to give it a little bit of moist. Okay guys, so the trick for beaming highlight, it's layering products. You would need 2 products for this step, and that would be a liquid highlight, any kind you want, and then a powder highlight. So what you need to do is take your liquid highlight. I'm going to use the Liquid Frost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Icecream Bling. Very appropriate. Okay, and put it on my beauty blender. If you think you've got too much liquid highlight on your sponge, you can also dab the excess on the back of your hand and just take a little bit of it. Okay, just like that. So that could suffice just by itself. Look at that really nice natural glow. What you need to do next is take a powder highlight, and I'm gonna use the exact same that I used on my natural side. I'm gonna swirl my brush around, and I'm going to set my liquid highlight with a powder highlight. So just watch. Put it there. And this is my trick to shine to the stars. And I'm not joking. Look at this craziness. I just cannot. This is wonderful. Okay guys, so these were the tips and tricks. Here you have the natural side, which you can wear on a daily basis wherever you want to go. And this is the shine to the stars kind of highlight that you can wear anywhere you feel like it. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found my tips and tricks helpful. If you did, then just let me know in the comment section down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell down below so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video. And also don't forget to join me on Instagram at Ammunition for a lot of content. So until next time guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!